Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the front wiper arms on a 2023 Honda Civic. So first thing we're going to do is set the wipers in service mode. You're going to find the mist option here. You activate that by going up. So we're going to turn on ignition. And then we're going to turn it off again. And we'll hold the mist button up until we see the wipers go up. So this is what you should be looking at right here. The wipers are now in service mode and easily accessible from the driver's side. We're going to start with the driver's side. This is the part number for the driver's side. And this is the part number for the passenger side. So to remove the wiper arm, you're going to have this button right here. We're going to push on this and grab the arm and pull out. Now, I would always recommend you do not leave your wiper arm just resting on the glass. Cars are weird, and for any reason, this can just slide on down without any warning and will leave a good scratch on your windshield. So just put a microfiber cloth right here just to keep it protected. And to install the new one, all you have to do is match up this to the slot over here, slide on down, and see here that snap into place. Like that. We'll do it again with a closer view. So you get this right in here. Just slide on down and you'll see that it locks into place here. Now as you're working on this, the wiper arm assembly will move the motor down there as well, and you might end up with your wiper hitting right here. Not a problem, just grab it, slide it on back, and you're good to go. And the other wiper is going to be the exact same process. Push the button to release. Bring your microfiber. And now with the new wiper, we'll slide in place. Just like that. And as you can see again, they did move. Bring this on back. Now that that's done, go ahead and turn on ignition again. We can pull down on the wiper arm just to bring them back down. So that's the end of the video. If you learned something, if I helped you save some money, consider subscribing to the channel. Look at my other videos on the Honda Civic, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.